Hi Rachel, I'm coming to you all the way from Delhi, India, and I'm going to share some beauty secrets of Indian women with you. For Indian women, oiling our hair on a weekly basis is really important. But since I'm a working professional, I like to oil my hair only on weekends. I just take some warm oil on my hand and then I go about applying it to my scalp. I prefer using almond oil. And then I leave it on for a few hours and then I just shampoo my hair, and that's about it. It gives me shiny and healthy strong hair. The next interesting thing about Indian beauty regime is how we wash our hair. A lot of Indian women like to flip their hair over, apply shampoo and massage the scalp even while we are shampooing it. So this way, all the product does not get concentrated in one area. The shampoo gets applied evenly and it gets washed off completely. One tip that I personally follow is to apply a lot of Vaseline on the cuticles before I go to bed at night. It keeps my nails healthy and strong and the cuticles and my hands really soft. I recommend that everybody does this every day.